everyone, this is Meena Vijay Pense, and let's see what the last extended week of November, that is the 22nd to the 30th of November, has in store for the sun sign Gemini. For the Geminis, this last long week is going to be about a lot of anxiety, stress, pressure. In short, the cards have described it as a waiting period. And many a times in the waiting period, we do tend to get restless, patienceless, of love anxiety, wondering about what is happening, wondering whether whatever efforts that we have put into a particular project or a relationship, what kind of fruits are they going to bear. And basically it's a waiting period, so it is going to put you in some kind of a anxiety. Moving on to the space of work, you will have a lot of clarity at your workspace for this last week, but then you also will understand and discover a lot of things that you were not aware of at your workspace. Maybe something was happening behind your back. Maybe you thought a particular person was supposed to speak to you in a certain way regarding a certain project in a certain manner, and then the person just comes and completely proves you wrong. So yes, at workspace, though you will have a clarity about a lot of things at work, the clarity will not come without some kind of an unpleasant revelation behind it. So keep yourself prepared for it. Moving on to the space of finances, you'll have to be very financially cautious for this particular week, because the situation will come up in such a way that you will realize that the finances are not much as the expenses. So you will have to really think, be quick, and see to it that you navigate yourself through this uncomfortable financial situation. So probably you will have to negotiate, probably you will have to discuss some certain financial matters. You might have to rethink and redo some of the financial decisions as well. Eventually it will work out in the end, and you will navigate yourself to the entire situation. But yet again, because the entire week energy is all about a little bit of stress and anxiety and tension and waiting for the results, it is definitely going to keep you on your toes, and not so in a very good way. So see to it that you try to keep your calm once you've made your final decision on certain things. Moving on to the space of relationships, try to be amongst your trusted, loved and near and dear ones, your family people, because you might draw in a lot of comfort during this trying and testing times. So at your workspace and your finances, especially when you're hassled about so many things and you're always going to be under that stress and anxiety, it is absolutely advisable that you kind of spend your time with your friends, your best friends, so that you can discuss and feel a little bit better, and also feel secure that you have your people with you. Your people have got, yeah, you have their back and they have your back as well. So you might feel a bit secured, spending time with your loved ones. Go ahead and do that. When it comes to matters of health, because this week is going to be very, very stressful, there is going to be a tendency of actually not making the proper choices when it comes to your health. So you might actually land up eating, unhealthy food or food at wrong timings, knowing that eventually it is going to harm you or is not good for your health, but you're going to go ahead and do it anyway just because you're tense. So you will be like, okay, you know what, I don't want to think about the food, or I don't want to think at what time am I having food, what am I putting in my mouth, when am I sleeping, how much am I sleeping. You will think that that is not so important, but see to it that you also prioritize your health, because once your health is prioritized and you feel good about yourself, you will be able to handle the situations that will come up in this week much more better. And self-love is the first love, so do not neglect yourself. Do not neglect yourself physically, mentally and emotionally, even if the week is tiring. Absolutely open to listening to your comments, your reactions, your responses, and how you felt about the predictions and what you have experienced regarding the predictions. please feel free to reach out to me via the DM or in the comments box, and I will be absolutely delighted to hear from all of you. Here's wishing you a very, very beautiful and a happy week ahead.